Hi guys, we received this brand new Rattan Ceiling Light for review purposes, and well, it comes with everything you need to install it, the instructions and everything in here. It comes very well packaged with foam, so you don't have to worry about it. And this is it, okay? It's really nice. You can select the temperature in here, and it's LED, which is perfect, alright? So I'm gonna take these little caps off. Okay, so as you can see now it's ready. You can select how the light looks. This switch, it's really easy to use. And I like it a lot. It's nice that you have these kinds of option. I'll set it like this. Just like that. It's ready. I'm gonna leave it like that. I like how it looks. It's really nice. Really easy to install, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.